Welcome to the Commvault channel. In this video, we will discuss about Commvault software releases, maintenance releases, and how to check for changes made within the release, or other releases. In your preferred web browser, open Commvault documentation website, that is, documentation.commvault.com. This is the Commvault documentation website home page. Scroll down to see the list of long-term support releases. Select the version of your Commvault. Let's start with 11.32. Version 11.32 documentation will open in a new window. What we are looking at is Essential View, and for Expert, you need to select it from here. Expand What's New tree. Here you find Commvault software releases. Expand the tree to see what's in it. You see the platform release version, and what you can review and learn. The newsletter is for new features and enhancements that Commvault want to highlight in this platform release. You can scroll down to look for the features, or you can use these headings to browse through. Click on New Features to review all new features added to the documentation during this platform release. You can click on each feature to learn more about what's new added to it. Click on Maintenance Releases. The maintenance release contains all the hotfixes for this feature release. You will get all the details, including the platform release, feature release, and maintenance release numbers that are included in the package. List of maintenance releases includes the cumulative updates in each maintenance release. You will find all the released maintenance releases here. If you want to know the list of updates in a maintenance release, click on this link. It will open a new window, which will provide a list of issues, along with hotfix numbers. If you have an issue in your environment, you can check here if the issue is already known, and a bug fix has been already released. Known issues provide important considerations that you need to take a note of before planning to upgrade or installing a new environment. Changes in the platform release provide information about the features and options that have been updated and enhanced from the previous version. As Commvault Java Console is frozen from new enhancements, all user interface changes are for Command Center only. Let's review the documentation for version 11.36. Go to the documentation home page and look for Platform Release 2024E, that is 11.36. In the Essential View, expand What's New. Click or expand Commvault software releases. If you notice here, you see both Platform Release 11.32 and 11.36 are listed. But in 11.32, it was alone. That is because the versions before 11.32 are deprecated. From here, you can compare the changes made in both the versions, find the differences, enhancements, etc. Lastly, let's review the documentation for version 11.40. From here you can compare all the three versions in one single place. We will end this video here. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if not already done so. Thank you. Do subscribe for more videos.